Yo, what's up, family? It's your man Shelby here once again, founder of SCDSC, and I want to have a real conversation tonight, alright? Not about algorithms, not about clicks, not about sales funnels, but about purpose. So, for years, I was that dude hustling online. Motor Club of America, AlternaScript, Instant Rewards Network. I sold all of it. I had the scripts, the hype, the testimonials, the make money from your phone energy. And I was good at it. I was real damn good at it. But deep down, right here, something felt like it was missing. I used to wake up every morning, post my MCA ad, tag folks, respond to DMs like I was breathing in air, you know? I was chasing conversions and not connections. But eventually I learned how to sell, but not how to serve. That was when I was with Better World Marketing. Same thing with AlternaScript. I was pushing supplements, health products, all that, right? Instant Rewards Network, man, I was straight up affiliate grind if you ask me. I was moving product, straight up, but I wasn't moving the people. You know, I wasn't building impact. I was building income, and when the commissions dried up, the purpose dried up too. Yeah. That's when I realized people don't just buy products, they buy alignment, they buy energy, they buy a feeling that says, you get me. You understand me. So when I started SC Digital Solutions and Consulting, or SCDSC for short, I ended up telling myself, I'm not chasing clicks no more. I'm chasing change. You know, I wanted to take everything I learned from those early hustle days and flip it around. In other words, use marketing not to just sell, but to heal, to elevate, to build legacies. You know, so creator to cause marketing is about taking your platform and attaching it to something bigger than a paycheck. It's about purpose-driven position. When your brand doesn't just stand for profit, it stands for principle instead. When you understand cause-based marketing, you stop talking at people and start talking with them instead. You literally become a mirror for your audience's value. You're not saying buy this, you're saying believe in this. Think about it. Nike doesn't sell shoes, they sell greatness. Apple doesn't sell phones, they sell creativity. So what do you sell? Because if your answer is still a service or a product, you're leaving money, meaning, and momentum on the table. I know what it's like to grind and feel invisible. To put out posts every day and get nothing but crickets. To invest in ads, webinars, courses, and still feel stuck. But once I shifted my marketing around purpose, people started DMing me like, yo, Shelby, I don't even know what you sell, but I need to work with you. Yo, I got a business proposition for you. Yo, I want you to, bro, I got messages all throughout my LinkedIn, throughout my Telegram. I don't even respond back to them anymore, to be honest with you. And that's when I knew this wasn't about sales psychology anymore. It was about soul psychology. And the secret was, you don't chase your clients. You attract believers. You build a brand so rooted in truth that people feel guilty not supporting you. So here's what I'm doing. I'm opening up a few one-on-one consultation calls for this week and this week alone. If you're tired of selling without soul, if you're ready to turn your story into a movement, if you want to learn how to build marketing systems that align with your purpose and still bring in your money, then go ahead and tap the link in the description up here or down here, depending on which platform this video is on, and book your one-on-one consultation with me, okay? Do not wait, because while everyone else is busy selling dreams, we're out here building reality, okay? And the reality starts when you decide your marketing actually means something. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I've been where you are, like I said before. I've hustled, I've failed, I've rebuilt, and now I'm helping others do the same. Not just to make money, but to make meaning. So if that hits you in your chest, like King Kong, you know what to do. Let's talk. Don't be scared to pick up that phone. Let's build something that actually matters. I'm Shelby Tyrone Clark Jr., and I don't just market brands. I build movements.